Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, December 21st. The reflection for today is living well is the best tonic. According to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, tonic is something that invigorates, restores, or refreshes. Living well includes the following: large doses of that love. Let yourself be loved daily by others and yourself. Giving yourself time each day to do something that excites you and fills you up. For example, playing the piano, doing yoga, painting your front door, photographing the red maple that exploded in color overnight, or listening to your favorite music. Go to bed. You need so much more rest than you allow yourself. If you are not used to this, go to bed anyhow. Have you forgotten all the fun things you used to do in bed? Read, look at the old photographs, write a letter, daydream, journal, make love. Renew the connection with the God of your comfort level. You've never had one? Spirit is waiting for you. Just ask, listen, you'll be answered. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to relax and arrive into stillness. Maybe close your eyes comfortably, maybe keep them open, and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now repeat after me, silently or out loud. I am finding comfort daily. I am laughing. I am resting. I am living whole and well. The God in me is connecting with the God of my choice. I am finding comfort daily. I am laughing. I am resting. I am living whole and well. The God in me is connecting with the God of my choice. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be I am finding comfort daily. I am laughing. I am resting. I am living whole and well. The God in me is connecting with the God of my choice. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.